There's a certain feeling you get when you have the right tool for the job. A type of sureness, firm enough to stand on. We call it preparation. The Etekcity digital tire gauge inflator and deflator is a high-caliber tool that prepares you for any tire maintenance situation. Featuring heavy-duty brass chucks that lock onto any type of tire, an NPT steel air compressor connector, the high-quality rubber casting provides maximum durability, making the tire gauge shockproof. The large backlit LCD display ensures maximum visibility in any lighting. To use it, first attach the brass air chuck to the tire valve. The tire gauge measures up to 250 psi. Tap the unit button to seamlessly change between psi, bar, kilopascals, and kilogram per centimeter squared. To deflate your tire, use the air bleed button to conveniently release air in controlled intervals. To inflate your tire, you'll need to first attach an air compressor. Next, pull the inflation trigger and add air until the tire gauge reads your ideal psi. Once you've finished and 30 seconds have passed, the auto shutoff feature will kick in, preserving maximum battery life. With Etekcity's digital tire gauge, inflator, and deflator, you'll never worry about having the right tool for the job again. Etekcity, building on better living.
Hi, I'm Jeff with MotionPro, introducing you to our latest digital tire pressure gauge today. Now, this has proven to be one of our staple products. It is trusted by race teams throughout the industry, as well as Dunlop TireTeks. Now, digging into the features of the digital air pressure gauge, we'll first talk about the air gauge head itself, which has an auto on-off backlit display and large numbers, and so it's really easy to read even in low lighting situations. It reads 0 to 60 psi with high precision down to 0.1 psi and accuracy of plus or minus 0.6 psi. Attached to the head is our trapezoid manifold, which is billet aluminum in construction and gives a nice ergonomic feel in your hand. It also gives access to our high pressure bleeder, which was designed by MotionPro. Now moving on, we have this long air hose which has dual swivels, and so you can get into tight areas and still get a good read at the gauge. And at the end, now included, is our Pro air gauge chuck. Now this chuck is available on its own for use just with air pressure gauges. It's not a filler, but it engages positively onto valve cores for extremely accurate readings. So as you can see, the MotionPro digital air pressure gauge is jam-packed with innovative features that make this really easy to use and extremely accurate. So go ahead and pick one up for yourself today. It's available from dealers nationwide.
Whether you're focused on safety or performance, the most important step a car owner can take is proper tire maintenance. Your tires make up one of the most important systems in your vehicle. With TireTek's premium tire pressure gauge, it's now the easiest one to inspect too. Perfect for professionals and everyday drivers. Our gauge gives accurate, easy to read pressure readings, and its heavy-duty steel and brass construction means it's built to last. It's a fully mechanical pressure gauge, which means you don't have to rely on batteries. It will work in all weather conditions without fail. TireTek's gauge is simple to use, with a large, easy-to-read display face and 360-degree swivel chuck that lets you view the pressure reading from any angle. TireTek's calibration meets industry standards and is tough enough for daily use at automotive shops and for personal use on the road. Give yourself peace of mind with TireTek's premium pressure gauge.
The JACO Elite Series gauge is currently available in our 0 to 60 psi range model for most passenger vehicles and bikes. We also offer a low-pressure 0 to 15 psi range model for tires that require very low pressure, such as ATVs, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, and more. The Elite Series gauge is calibrated and certified accurate to ANSI grade B40.1 international accuracy standards of 2 to 3% and equipped with many exclusive features to make tire pressure maintenance fast and easy. Built to last a lifetime from premium steel and brass components, the Elite Series gauge feels solid in the hand and is protected from accidental drops and everyday storage with its rubberized, shock-resistant protective guard surrounding the gauge head. Its large, high-resolution, 2-inch glow-in-the-dark dial scale makes checking your readings fast and simple, and all readings lock onto the display, remaining visible until the reset button on the neck of the gauge is pressed to reset the reading to 0. That same reset button also serves as a built-in air bleeder valve, allowing you to decrease pressure in overinflated tires by holding the valve to release air. Other features include our signature 360-degree swivel chuck, allowing you to fully rotate the chuck to make accessing your valve stem from any angle hassle-free. This award-winning gauge is quick, accurate, and easy to use. And satisfied customers often come back to keep all of their vehicles stocked with the Elite Series gauge. What's more, when you order today from JACO, your purchase is proudly backed by our 100% lifetime satisfaction guarantee. Because we truly believe this gauge is built to last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Order yours today with confidence.
The AstroAI 150 PSI digital tire gauge is the perfect car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by AstroAI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.